What if you could turn simple AI prompts into a high-margin digital product business that generates real passive income while you sleep? Selling digital products like ebooks, Notion templates, and prompt guides is the fastest way to build online revenue today. But researching, writing, and designing everything manually used to take months. In this complete step-by-step guide, I will show you how to use artificial intelligence to automate the entire process from start to finish. You will learn how to find profitable niches, generate premium digital assets, create stunning visual mockups, set up your online store, and drive free traffic. Let us dive in right now. Before touching any software, you need to select the right digital product model. The most profitable AI-assisted products fall into 4 categories: specialized prompt libraries, structured Notion workspace templates, educational PDF workbooks, and custom design assets. AI is not here to replace high-value knowledge, it is here to accelerate your output. The secret is solving a specific pain point for a targeted group of people. If you try to sell a generic ebook, nobody will buy it. But if you create a specific system, like a 30-day social media content calendar for real estate agents, buyers will gladly pay top dollar. Step 1 is validating your product idea using Perplexity AI and ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and type, "Identify 5 underserved problems faced by freelance graphic designers in 2025 that can be solved with a digital template." Look at the results closely. Notice how it highlights client onboarding friction and project scope creep. Next, go to Perplexity AI and query search volume and market demand for those specific topics. Look for active discussions on Reddit and Twitter where people are asking for solutions. Once you confirm people are actively searching for a fix, you have found your winning digital product idea. Now let us build the core content of your product using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Claude is exceptional at generating structured, human-sounding text. Open Claude and paste this master prompt, act as a master workflow consultant. Write a comprehensive 10-step client onboarding guide for freelance designers. Include fill-in-the-blank email templates, intake questionnaires, and milestone checklists. Watch as Claude outputs detailed, production-ready material. Review every line, edit the wording to match your personal voice, and add real-world examples. Never export raw AI text without human polishing. Quality control is what separates $5 products from $50 products. Next, we turn your text into a polished, high-value asset using Canva Pro. Open Canva and search for A4 document workbook templates. Select a modern minimalist layout. Click on Bulk Create under Canva Apps. Import your polished CSV text from Claude to auto-populate multiple pages instantly. To make cover art and digital mockups, use Midjourney. Type prompt, /imagine 3D floating sleek digital workbook cover, minimalist aesthetic, studio lighting, hyper-realistic AR4:3. Download the generated graphic, drag it into Canva's Smart Mockups tool, and generate a 3D tablet preview. Your flat PDF now looks like a multi-$100 professional digital program. With your product finalized, let us build your online checkout page on Gumroad. Go to gumroad.com, click New Product, enter your product title, and set the price to $29. Upload your high-resolution Canva PDF file directly into the Content tab. Next, drag your Midjourney 3D product mockup into the thumbnail and cover image sections. Enable the Allow Customers to Pay What They Want toggle with a minimum threshold set to $29, this allows generous buyers to tip extra. Click Save Changes and Publish. In less than 5 minutes, you have a fully functional global payment infrastructure ready to accept orders. A great product will not sell without persuasive sales copy. We will use ChatGPT to write high-converting copy using the PA framework: problem, agitation, solution. Prompt ChatGPT, write a compelling sales page description for my client onboarding kit. Focus on the nightmare of bad clients, the lost revenue from vague contracts, and how this template fixes it instantly. Copy the output into your Gumroad description box. Format key benefits with checkmark bullet points and add bold headings for readability. Include a clear risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee section to eliminate customer hesitation and double your conversion rate. Store creation is useless without traffic. Let us build an automated short-form video marketing machine. Ask ChatGPT, write 5 viral 30-second TikTok script hooks addressing common freelance client nightmare scenarios. Take those scripts to CapCut or Opus Clip. Use AI avatar generators or screen recordings of your digital product in action. Pair your video with trending audio on Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Pinterest idea pins. In the caption, write, "Comment KIT below and I will auto DM you the link." Use ManyChat to trigger an automated direct message containing your Gumroad sales page link whenever anyone comments that keyword. To ensure long-term success, avoid these 3 fatal mistakes. First, selling low-quality AI spam. If your product is just raw ChatGPT output saved as a plain PDF, customers will request refunds and leave bad reviews. Always add human curation and beautiful design. Second, ignoring search SEO. Ensure your Gumroad product title and tags include terms buyers actually type into Google. Third, expecting overnight riches without marketing content. Consistency is key. Post 2 short-form video teasers daily showcasing how your template solves problems. Passive income requires active upfront effort before the automated systems take over. Building an AI-powered digital product business is one of the most scalable business models available today. You now have the full exact blueprint: research demand with Perplexity, create content with Claude, design mockups with Midjourney and Canva, host your product on Gumroad, and automate traffic with short-form content and ManyChat. Take action today by picking your niche and writing your first prompt. Download our free AI digital product prompt stack in the description below to skip the setup time. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more complete AI tutorials. See you in the next video.